Thanks, guys. Thanks all for joining and welcome to the first demo session of Tosca. So we all are here to learn a tool called Tosca. And let me introduce about myself. My name is Rajesh and I have 11 plus years of experience in IT, guys. Okay. So I have 11 plus years of experience in IT. Okay. And I have trained lot of person and I have helped them to switch their career into from non-IT to IT, non-IT to IT, and from manual testing or any kind of testing, API database or any testing to a good high paying jobs, IT with high paying jobs. Okay. Now, if I talk about my experience, right, I started my career with manual testing. So I have very good exposure on manual testing, guys. Initially, I started my journey with that. Later, I moved to the ETL testing. Okay. After that, I also worked in database testing, like some part into API testing also. Okay. And finally, I got a chance to work as a Tosca testing lead or Tosca lead. Okay. Now I'm working as a Tosca lead from past 7+ years of experience I have in Tosca, guys. Okay. Everyone will think that Tosca is a new tool. No, guys. Tosca is not a new tool. Tosca is an older tool, but from past 4 years, we got very good exposure. I started in one of the MNC company and I'm currently working as a lead consultant or lead in the respective organization. Okay. You got it right. Now, apart from this, if I talk about my role, I am a Tosca technical lead. Okay. In Tosca only, I have 7+ years of experience. Remaining experience, I got a chance to work in different testings. Okay. So that's why I'm into this Tosca teaching and I have trained lot of batches. This is not my first batch, guys. Okay. We have a lot of batches in this one. What are those batches? The first one is 6:30, 9:30, 8 p.m., 9 p.m. So 9 p.m. is going on. And previously I taught 7 a.m., 7:30 a.m., 8 p.m. So depends on the availability, I will start my batches, guys. Okay. Now you have understood pretty much about myself. I'm currently working in big MNC, guys. Okay. I'm currently working in MNC company and I'm not only a trainer, guys. Okay. I'm not only a trainer. I'm currently working in another organization. Okay. So I am also working as a panel member. Okay. So what is this panel member? And we all know, right? So what is the panel member? We can 1 minute, guys. One. Yeah, screen got stuck. I stopped it. Yes. See here. I'm a panel member also. Okay. I used to take the interviews for the clients. Okay. I used to take the interviews directly to the clients. That like L2 rounds. Previously, I used to take L1. Now I'm taking L2 rounds where I used to take the complete interview and I know what are the questions which are there in the market. Okay. Since I am the trainer and I am the panel member, I know what kind of questions. Some questions the client will ask, give me to ask certain questions, right? I will ask that questions also. Okay. Now, apart from this, I'm not just a trainer, guys. I'm a real-time trainer. Okay. So what is the difference between a trainer and a real-time trainer? A normal trainer will teach you the theoretical concept. Okay. But being a experienced with 7+ years of experience in Tosca and 11+ years of IT experience, I will train the real-time project. Okay. So whatever the challenges I have faced in my previous project, I will try to teach each and everything in detail. Okay. My training will be in 3 stages, guys. Okay. First one is we will cover all the basics. Okay. Since we have a lot of persons here, some persons from manual testing, some persons are from other testing, right? Now, if we are from a different testing, what we will do? We will start with the basics. Okay. Next, we will go to the intermediate level. Okay. Like we are from different. I saw some persons are from manual testing, some persons are from another zones, right? So now what I will do, since you are from a non-IT, you don't know about the testing. Okay. We will cover the testing concept first. Later, we will understand Tosca and slowly, like I know how to teach and lot of persons are converted their career from non-IT to IT with using this tool. And whatever the challenges they have faced, I have noted all the challenges. Okay. Apart from this, after that, we will go to the advanced. Okay. Advanced concepts. Okay. So once we have gone to the advanced concept, we will go to the more advanced concepts. Okay. We have more advanced concepts also. Means very critical one. Okay. Means we will start with very basics like what is Tosca, who to learn Tosca, why to learn Tosca. Small things we will discuss and we will see how to install it, how to do everything. Then we will go for the intermediate level concept, advanced and more advanced or high advanced concept. We will go there and we will try to understand the subject from very basics. Okay. Now everyone will have one question, right? Do we need any prior knowledge, right? So that is the question everyone will have it in your mind. Okay. So in order to learn this Tosca, do we need any prior knowledge or not? Okay. To be very frank, no need to have any prior knowledge, guys. Okay. No need to have any prior knowledge. Okay. Then how you will do it? Generally, Tosca is a zero coding tool, guys. Okay. I will prove it. You don't worry. At the end of the class, I will show it to you whether what is Tosca and whether that how the Tosca zero coding will work. And I will try to compare with major tools. Okay. So this is a zero code automation. Okay. So this is pretty much about myself. And if I talk about the domains, right? So which I work is I work for multiple domains. Okay. I work for healthcare domain. I work for telecommunication and I have also worked for retail insurance also. Okay. See it here. What are the domains I have worked? I have worked for healthcare domain. Initially, I started my manual testing with AIG, American International Group. Anyway, let us not take the client names. So I worked for healthcare project. Later, I moved to telecommunication and I have worked in insurance. Finally, I worked for retail domain. So I have very good domain knowledge. Okay. With that domain knowledge, what I will do, I will teach you two different projects. Okay. So two projects I will teach you guys. Okay. The first project is banking project. Means once your training is done, like basic, intermediate, advanced, and more advanced, also whatever it is, next level. Once it is understood, what we need to do, we need to do our projects also, right? So that we will get some idea, like what exactly it is and how we need to do these things. That idea you need to have it. Okay. If you want that idea, okay, in order to get that idea, what you can do, you can do some projects. Okay. If you do more projects, right, then you can do these things. Okay. Now, after banking project, what you need to do, you like once I have teach the banking project, then I will teach about the insurance project also. Okay. So insurance, I will clearly discuss about insurance project. Got it? Now we have understood everything, guys. What is our plan of action? I'm a real-time trainer and I have very huge experience in Tosca and I have trained lot of persons. I have interviewed and I have taken the interviews from the students and I have the previous student who are faced the challenges. I have collected all the information and I have created this course curriculum, guys. Okay. If you follow my class notes, see how I am typing in this class on the same way every day. For every class, I will give the typed class notes also. Okay. Now let us start our respective. We will start from here, guys. Okay. We will start from here. What we will do generally, for example, first of all, we will learn about the theory concepts. All your theory concepts, you will cover it. Means every day we will take one or two concepts. Okay. For example, how to handle a table. We need to automate the tables, right? Now we will first discuss about the theory part. Then we will go to the practical example. Practical or what we can call it as real-time scenario or real time scenario. Got it? So we can do practical examples and we will discuss about the real time scenarios. Like whatever the real time scenarios with respect to that theory concepts are there. With that theory concepts are concerned, that we will do it here. Okay. So whatever the theory concept, we will teach it. Okay. Got it? Now what we will do, we will have the theory part first. Next, we will go to the practical example and I will teach you the real-time scenario also. In this real-time scenario, what we will do generally, I will discuss about what are related theory concept which I'm teaching, right? That scenarios I will teach it. Okay. Now, after this one, your theory is finished and your real-time questions are done. Means your real-time scenario, how you need to handle with a great example, I will explain it. Then, parallelly, we will prepare for interview question and answers, guys. Okay. So, in this one, it means first we will complete the theory part. Next, practical example like how you need to handle these scenarios, everything I will explain. Then, parallelly, we will learn the interview questions, all possible interview questions related to this topic, guys. Okay. All interview questions related to this topic, I will teach you. And one more, we have bonus here. Okay. All interview questions, theoretical interview questions, I will give the typed notes. Okay. Like interview question 1, 2, 3, 4. You will get more than hundreds of questions, guys. More than 100 of questions, you will get it. Okay. You got it, right? Hundreds of questions, you will get it. Okay. Once you get these hundreds of questions, what you need to do? You need to start practicing the questions. Okay. Yeah. You need to practice that all the questions. Apart from these, if you go to our channel, I have already recorded more than 95 interview questions. Means not only like this, guys. What I will do, I will prepare you in a such a way that you will be able to understand from very basics. Okay. Let me open that. Okay. What I will do here, see here. Okay. Now see, I will also teach you. I have already recorded hundreds of questions here, guys. Okay. If you see, hundreds of questions has been already recorded. See, question number 1, question number 2. That too, how to answer these questions in front of interview. In that way, with my experience, I have done this one. I will share this link. Don't worry. Okay. So this is the one. I am planning 100 more questions, guys. Okay. 100 more questions I will record and I will give it to you. See, 95 questions are already done. Okay. Based on your complexity, question number 1, that too in an order. How I am teaching, in the same order I have prepared the question, guys. Okay. Once you have completed all your question and answers, you can also check how to answer these questions in front of interviewer. See, all questions I have recorded already. Okay. This one is pretty much clear, right? Means class notes also you will get it. And for preparation, how to answer the reference. Okay. If you have a reference, right, then preparation would be easy. Okay. Our major concentration will be on the preparation, guys. Okay. That's it. No, it's not, guys. We have more. What we will do, we will give daily tasks. Okay. So daily task, we will give it to you. For example, if you go to our recent batch, okay, if I click on task like this, see, in this way, I will give you the class notes, guys. See, I will give the task like this. What is the task? Means I will complete one topic. What is the rescan of module? The theory I will teach you. Next, I will show it in the Tosca. Okay. Now I will give task like this. Scan the module. I teach about how to scan the module. Now this is the application. You scan it. This application you scan it. Procto, real-time applications. Make my trip. That also you need to scan it. How to scan, where to scan, what you need to do. Everything I will explain, guys. Means daily task I will give it to you. Means not only just understanding the subject. Every day we will give you the task and we will track your tasks also. Okay, we will track the we will track your tasks. Means whether you are current doing or not, or whether you are able to face you are facing any issue, that we will give you one file. Okay, one Word file where you need to upload all your screenshots. Okay, means whatever you have automated, you need to take one screenshot and you need to put it in the screenshots in the form of screenshot. Okay, means what you need to do. And one more thing, guys, I forgot. I have shared one Google Sheet link. Okay, who are joined here, I will request you to fill that form. Okay, and give your just three details: your full name, your email ID, and phone number. Okay, see here. This is the form: your name, your email ID, your phone number, so that we can track you. Okay, please fill that form when you have a free time. You got the point, right? Now, coming back to the class back, what we need to do? We need to track the task. Okay, we will track the task. How we will track the task? We have a plan in place, guys. Okay, I told you, right? You're not the first person in this batch. What we will do generally, we have prepared certain tasks for you. And for the previous batch, let me show it the previous batch. See, just learning doesn't help, guys. You need to have a proper roadmap. Okay, first theory completed, basics you completed, go to intermediate level, check your skills, how you are doing, and track that one. Everything will be helpful for us. Okay, let me show it to you. What we have done, we have understood that we will do two things. One is tracking of your task, right? What you can do. Let me open that one. It has closed everything. So for previous batches, I can show you how our way of teaching will be there. Okay, this is the 9 p.m. batch, guys. Okay, in the 9 p.m., what you can do, see, we will put it like this. Every class, whatever the class we have, we will give you the recording like this. Okay, and we will give you the daily class notes here. Okay, whatever the task we have, everything will be there in the class. This is the material, to be very precise. Now, student daily practice. See, we will give one folder for one person. Okay, and we will ask them to fill this form, or they will upload their respective work in this document. Okay, so we will track that one also. You got the point? So in this way, what we will do, we will explain those things in detail. We will track your work, and daily, what we will do, we will give the day, we will conduct daily exam. After completion of your class, we will give 30 or not 30 MCQs. Okay, the previous class one. For example, you will learn the previous class, right? We will give MCQs questions. Okay, you need to answer that question. For example, I teached about the modules. Then what you need to do? You need to give your MCQs daily. Okay, you need to properly learn the previous subject and give your test. Again, give your test likewise. We are not done yet, guys. Apart from this subject, we are also giving daily tasks, tracking you, and daily exams also we will conduct. And we will do some mock test also. Okay, the mock test is nothing but all previous questions. All previous questions I have recorded, and I make the 60 MCQs. Okay, and 2 mega tests will be conducted. Okay, once you have completed the course, what we can do, we can complete the 2 mega tests so that you will understand it. Okay, means you can go here and you can understand how to answer the questions. Apart from this, you can also give your test to understand it in a clear way. Okay, so this is what we will provide apart from the other training tests. Okay, means I have covered everything, right? I will teach you the subject. I will track you. I will give you the interview question and answers, how to answer this interview questions. And I told you real-time scenarios, right? That also I have recorded, guys. Okay, you can go to our channel. Okay, okay, see here. I have already done 14 scenarios, like 1 to 14. Okay. And I will upload one more in YouTube, remaining all 100 scenarios. I will give 100 real-time scenarios, whatever they have asked in the previous. 100 questions are already done, and 100 scenarios also you will get. Okay. You will get 100 plus interview question and answers and 100 plus. Go on mute, guys. Please go on mute. Okay. Yeah. 100 plus interview questions and 100 plus scenarios. You got it? 100 plus scenarios and 100 plus interview questions. Okay. Yeah. Now you have understood, right? So you will get everything like this. Got it? Apart from this, you can also, what we will do, if I talk about our training will be from Monday to Friday. Every day we will have classes. Okay. Monday to Friday. And the batch timing would be your timing. Whatever the timing the team told you, that will be there. Okay. What we will do based on your Monday to Friday, we will discuss about the concepts test. Okay. And now you will get lot of doubts, right? So on Monday, you will get some doubt, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. So you can daily, I will give 10 minutes for answering, like in order to clear all your questions, daily I will give 10 minutes for doubts. Okay. Apart from this, every Saturday, we will have doubt sessions. Don't do this. Okay. We will provide this link. You don't worry, guys. Okay. Now see, doubts. Saturday will be the doubt session. Okay. In this doubt session, you can share your screen and you can ask any question, irrespective of what topic it can be. Okay. What topic it can be, you can do this one. Apart from this, we will also provide the typed class notes. Okay. That I told you already, right? Typed class notes we will provide. Okay. Once your preparation will be done like this. Okay, we will track it, we will do it. Okay, now what is your next question? Okay, Rajesh, we have understood the subject and we have done everything. What is the next thing we need to do it? Okay, once you have completed your preparation, then we will go to preparing your resume. Guys. We will concentrate on preparing your resume. We have like many samples or templates that we will provide to you. You just try to understand. Okay, you just edit that respective resume and share it with us. Okay, we will review and we will do it. Sure, please don't do that. Please don't put your cursor. Okay, now resume preparation will be done. Once the resume is prepared, then what we will do, we will conduct the mock interviews. Okay, means your resume will be done and your mock interviews, you will do it, guys. Okay. Yeah, mock interviews, you will do your respective mock interviews. Means I will take the mock interviews, how you're practicing it, where you're lagging behind, whether you are doing as per expected or not. Everything this mock interviews will cover. Okay, next one is placement assistance. Placement assistance will be done. Okay, means once your resume is prepared, you have cracked my interview, then we will we have already have a group, guys. We will add you in that group. Okay, where WhatsApp group. We will create a WhatsApp group. Yeah, please note down your questions. I will answer at the last, guys. Okay, I will answer at the last. Somebody with joined with Samsung, can you please change your name? Yeah, Xiaomi also. Xiaomi also change it, else they will remove it. Okay, guys, please join with your names, guys. Please join with your name. Guys, please change your name, else the team will remove you. Please change the names, guys. Okay. Unfortunately, they will put it in a waiting room. Okay. Please join with your name. Why? Because we have seen lot of persons are joining. We don't know their numbers and we are not able to do them. Okay. Now let us concentrate here, guys. Okay. We will add the group. Means it is a whole package, guys. Okay. This is how your learning roadmap should be. Your learning strategy should be. Okay. Got it? Now we are done with this. Okay. So whatever the doubts you have, you put it in the group. We will do this. Okay. This is pretty much about our course, guys. What is our plan of action and what is our next 50 to 55 days plan is there. So that we are doing here. Okay. So we have understood everything in detail, right? Now let us start about the Tosca here. Okay. So
Rajesh, sorry to
yeah.
cut you. Before that, can you please just give a high level of first 15 minutes?
First.
Like whatever you have written, the agenda of like first 15, if you scroll up, you had few
Okay. I
details.
will. I will. I will. Yeah. Within a
Before
short
you
time, I
jump,
will share
yes,
that.
yes, before you jump to Tosca.
Sure. 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 Okay. Now see guys, whoever joined late, welcome back. Welcome you all to the first demo session. Okay. Now, my name is Rajesh and I have 11 plus years of experience and I have trained a lot of people. Okay. This is not my first batch and I have helped them to switch their career from non-IT to IT, manual testing to any respective IT with high packages. Okay. So this is what my experience is and I started my journey as a manual tester. Later, I got an opportunity to work as an ETL tester. Once the ETL testing is done, I worked as a database tester, and currently I'm working as a Tosca automation testing with 7+ years of experience. Okay, and I'm not only a trainer or I used to work and I am working currently in MNC company. Okay, next I'm a panel member. What is a panel member? I will teach and I will try to ask the interview questions to them. Okay, so since I have that knowledge also, what we will do, I will clearly tell you what are the interview questions. It is very, very important. What are the interview questions, the latest interview questions they are asking? Everything I will discuss about it. I know that one, right? So based on that, I have prepared my course curriculum and I will explain all these things. Okay. And I'm a real-time trainer. Means I will tell you whatever the challenges I have faced, every challenge I will teach you guys. Okay. Now, if I talk about my experience, I will do with basics, intermediate, advanced, and more advanced. Okay. Means this is the levels we will understand it. When you're understanding the basics, what we will do, you will have one question before you are joining. What is the question? Whether you have any prior knowledge or not. You need any prior knowledge or not needed, guys. Why? I will explain. Why you should not have prior knowledge, I will explain. And since there is a zero coding, you need not to write any code. Okay. If I talk about domains, what domains I have worked for? I worked for these four domains like healthcare, telecommunication, insurance, and retail. Now, with this domain knowledge, I have picked two projects, guys. Okay. First one is banking project. Second one is insurance project. I will teach you end-to-end projects. Okay. Now, if I talk about theory part, I will talk about the theory first. From here, our road plan will, if you have opted Tosca, then what we will do? We will start from here. Okay. Later, first we will teach about theoretical concepts. Next, we will discuss about the practical example and real-time scenarios also we will discuss. Okay. Apart from this, I will give the interview question and answers, and I have recorded almost 95 questions how to answer. If some interview is asking the questions, they will answer it. I will tell you one example. In Infosys, they have joined one of my student. He has got 15 questions. Okay, all 15 questions are from my 95 questions. Infosys, company is Infosys. I won't take the names, but Infosys. Okay, so in that level, I have prepared it, guys. You will understand. Once you complete the class, you will be able to answer those questions by your own. That's how I will prepare. Okay, So we will have daily tasks. Okay. Next, we will track your task. Whatever you are doing it, we will put it in a sheet and we will track it. Next one, once every day you will have, once your class is completed, you will get one link, okay, where you need to give your test. And once you have completed, we will give 60 questions. Okay. Now, 100 plus interview question and answers will be done. And 100 plus scenarios, I will give it to you. 15 scenarios are done, guys. Other scenarios, I have questions. I will prepare it only for the person who are joining in my course. I will give this 100 plus scenarios. 100 questions anyway, I will add it. Apart from these, we have 100 more questions also. 100 plus 100 more questions, I will record it and I will give to our students only. Whoever joined my class, I will give it to them. Okay. Now, if I talk about the training period is Monday to Friday and daily 10 minutes will be given for doubts. Like in the class, you will have some doubts, right? You clear the doubts. All your high level doubts or entire Monday to Friday, you consolidate everything and ask it in Saturday doubts. So doubt sessions will be cleared properly. Okay. Now, once you have prepared all your subject, I will give you the typed class notes, like how I am typing here. Once it is done, I will help you to prepare in the resume. Okay, I will have certain templates. I will give the templates to you. You edit it and send it to me. I will give the review and I will add the review comments. Okay, next mock interviews. I will take mock interviews to you. Okay, since I know what the questions they may ask, right? Overall, in all my 50 to 55 days, whatever I teach, I will conduct one mock interviews. And whatever the things you are less at, and you should improve certain things, that I will give it here. And placement assistance will be given for you till what we will do, we will add you in a group, guys. Okay, assistance will be given. In that group, every day you will get job notification. Okay, Wipro has announced this one. Cognizant has announced this one. Everything I will explain over there. Okay, hope I have covered it. Please put all your questions in the chat box. I will help you at the last. I will give certain time for all to ask the questions, guys. Please ask more questions. Okay. Now, so with that, we have understood what is our plan of action, right? What is our plan of action? We have understood very clearly. And this is not the first batch, guys. I have a lot of persons recently, they got placed in different organization, which I will show it in the later part. Okay. This is all about the video. Now, what we will do, we all are here to learn Tosca, right? Now, we will start our Tosca. Let me introduce about Tosca and try to understand about the Tosca, guys. Okay. Till now, whether you have done the concentration or not, put your 100% concentration here. Okay. So, Tosca automation demo. Welcome you all. Again, I'm telling you, my name is Rajesh and I have 11 plus years of experience. Now, in your mind, for everyone, in your mind, what will be there? The first one is why to learn Tosca. Okay, that is the first thing you will have it is. Now, let us remove that confusion. Why to learn Tricentis Tosca? Before that, what is this Tricentis? And what is this Tosca? I will ask one question. There is a Word document, right? Like Word document is created by whom? Can you name the company name? Anyone who has developed this Word, Excel, and all these things?
Microsoft.
Microsoft. Very good. So Microsoft is the company name who has built it that. On the same way, Tosca. The pronunciation is Tosca, guys. Tosco. They will call it, somebody call it as Tosco. Okay. No, don't call like that. It's a Tosca. 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 Now, it has been developed by, or it has been developed by a company called, or launched by a company called Tricentis. Means Tricentis is the company who has launched the product called Tosca. It has other products also, but this is the highest revenue generated product. Okay, it's mainly US based, guys. Now, Tosca is a product. Tricentis is a company. Now, in our mind, why to learn Tosca? That will be there in our mind, right? So, why to learn Tosca? The first reason to learn Tosca is codeless automation tool. Okay, so it is codeless automation tool. What is codeless automation tool? Means you won't write any single piece of code. That's why you need to learn Tosca. I will prove, guys, whatever I'm teaching, I will prove you for sure. Please stay tuned till last. Okay, at the last, I will give one bonus classes. I will give certain links and I will give you some free courses. Okay, please stay tuned. Now, why to learn Tosca? The major purpose to learn Tosca is it is a codeless automation. That's why you need to learn Tosca. Now, it's a model-based tool, guys. What is model-based tool generally? In the market, we have majorly two tools. First one is model-based and script-based. Script-based is nothing but, okay, you need to write a lot of scripts. Okay, in order to automate any application, you need to write this much of code. ఇంత పెద్ద కోడ్ రాయాలి. Okay, we need to write this much of code. But in model based, you won't do that one, guys. Okay, I will show you what is model based and all. Let us understand the theoretical part first. See, as per our plan only we will go. I will tell you one theory part first. Later I will show you what theory I am talking about. Okay, it's a model based application, means there will be no scripting and it's a zero coding. Since there is no scripting, we have one more thing we need to keep in our mind to learn the Tosca. Okay, this is the second one. There is no scripting. Okay, now let us discuss about the third one. Okay, so what is this third one? 1 minute. Yeah, so the major reasons to learn Tosca is it's a codeless automation and model based. Next, it is AI driven testing. Means Tosca is already integrated with AI, guys. Okay, what the Tosca will do? Tosca will understand it has the machine learning capability. Whatever you are doing, it will observe and it will try to replicate the same thing. Okay, so that's the reason you need to learn Tosca. What is the third reason? I will tell you. In the next slides, I will tell you what AI and till what extent the AI is there. And finally, cross technology support means we can automate any technologies. Either it can be different applications, either it can be web, desktop, SAP, Salesforce, API, database, whatever the thing you have, ETL testing, performance testing, everything you can automate, guys. Means one tool, everything can be automated. That too without writing any single piece of code. So that's why Tosca will stand in the market and it is competitor for Selenium. Okay, very rarely know this. Some persons know this tool, and somebody don't know about whatever the tool is. Okay, I will explain. I will explain each and everything in detail. Okay, these are the major four reasons why you need to learn Tosca. Apart from these, we have a user-friendly and easy to learn. Means if I go to the Eclipse, if somebody knows what is Selenium and all, okay, what is Selenium and all, they will understand this one. See, in order to automate anything, this is called script-based tool. See, you need to write this much of script. Whereas the same thing, you can do it in Tosca without writing any single piece of code. Okay, I will show it to you. So it is a user-friendly and easy to learn. You can easily learn it. Since there is no coding, it would be easy, right? Rather, you're going for a coding tool like this, you need to write a lot of code over here. Okay, rather writing the code, what you can do, you won't write any code here, guys. Simply, what you will do, you will drag and drop your respective applications. Okay, what you will do, you will directly drag it. See, if you can see this one, see here, you won't have any code here. Just fill in the blanks. You will fill the blanks here. First of all, you will open the URL. It will click on the register button and it will run the respective application. Okay, first it will open the URL. After that, you need to click on register button and you need to provide other data. Just fill in the blanks. The same thing you will do in a scripting base. This much of code you need to write it. Okay, it's a user friendly. That's why you need to learn Tosca. Okay, next one, continuous integration and testing base. Means nowadays CI/CD is the DevOps are booming like anything, right? So everybody is into DevOps where the continuous integration and continuous deployment is taking place. In that case, if you still write the coding, then it is very hard. So that's why this tool is very famous since it supports CI/CD integration with Jenkins. I will teach that also. Okay. Finally, the Tosca can be integrated with any test management tool. Okay. Means test management tool means manual testers will do manual testing, right? They will have certain tools like Jira or Qtest, HPALM. For everything, you can integrate it so that you can run the test case from there and schedule the test case from there. Okay. So these are some reasons why you need to learn Tosca, guys. These are some reasons why you need to learn. Got it? Now we will quickly jump. So these are the reasons. If somebody is asking why you need to learn Tosca, since it's a codeless automation, model based, AI is integrated, you can integrate with CI/CD, and it is easy to understand. Okay, you need to tell like this. Okay, now let us go to the next one. Okay, what type of testings we can automate? This is the major question, right? Now see, without writing any single piece of code, you can automate all your web application. Web application in the sense, all your web applications, guys. Okay. All your web applications, you can automate it. Like all your web applications, you can do it. All your desktop applications, you can automate it, guys. Okay. All your desktop applications, like whatever the desktop applications you have, you can automate those things. Okay. Next, all your SAP applications, you can automate it. All SAP applications. Okay. Next one, all the Salesforce applications, you can automate. Salesforce and mobile, database testing, ETL testing, API testing, and so on. Okay. Got it? All these applications, you can automate. Means without writing any single piece of code. Okay. With zero code, you can automate all these applications, guys. Okay, got it? So you can automate all these applications without writing any. Yeah. Okay. So you can automate all kinds of web application, desktop applications, SAP, Salesforce, mobile automation, database, and ETL. Means without writing any single piece of code, you can automate all kinds of applications, guys. That's why you need to learn Tosca. Remember that. Okay. So that's why, if, for example, you are a client or you have a product. Now, with one product, you are automating all your entire applications. Why we will automate it, right? In order to do the things faster. Now, if I automate it, I'm getting 1 month revenue. If I have not automated, in 1 month, I'm getting the revenue, guys. I want to do it in 15 days. Then you need to do automation in any field. So that's why, even though it is a paid tool, everyone is looking this. There is nothing. You Google it or you do anything. There is not one tool in the market which can automate all these applications with zero code. There is nothing, guys. SAP, we cannot automate SAP apart from this Tosca. We can have some utilities, but majorly we have workforce. That license is very cost. Now license for Tosca is less. So that's why SAP with Tosca jobs are high in the market. Okay. Now this is what we will learn in our upcoming classes. Okay. Now, what are the benefits of Tosca? Right. So benefits of Tosca is, first one is it's a scriptless automation. No coding required to work with Tosca. Okay. It's a scriptless automation. Okay. Now it is suitable for large scale operations. Okay. It will be suitable for large scale operations. Means if you have n number of applications in your project and it's a bigger company with multiple technologies, with Tosca, you can automate it. Okay. Got it? Now, apart from this, we can manage the test data also. Test data management, we can do this. Okay. Next, if you have any mass updates, okay, if you have any mass updates, what you can do? You can do it with Tosca easily. How you need to do it? I will explain. Okay. Next one, reusability. Very, very important, guys. What is this reusability? Means if you want to, for example, you have two testers. If one tester is already created, okay, if you have two testers, one tester is already created, tester should two should be used at that one, guys. You got the point? Tester two should be used at that one. Okay, that is the reusability of the asset. Next, quality vendor support. We need to have a quality vendor support. Okay, next one, easy to use interface. Okay, for example, if you have stuck at any point, the vendor will connect with you and they will help you guys. For example, the client is asking, hey, automation tester, automate this one. You don't know about it. Okay, if you go for any other tool, right, there will be no support from the any other persons. Okay, okay, got it? It is easy to use interface. Next one is it's a model based automation. Tosca is a model based automation. I told you, right? No scripting, only modules or models. Next, since no coding, it's a easy user interface. Cross browser testing. We can automate. If you're building your test case in Chrome, you can do it in Edge, Firefox, everything you can do. Okay. Next one, end-to-end test automation. You can do it, guys. From starting to ending, you can do automation. And it is AI powered testing. What is this AI powered testing? I will tell you. Okay. Means it is also integrated with AI, right? So we will do that automation with AI. I will teach about AI in the next slide, in upcoming slide. Okay. Now we have understood why to learn Tosca and what are the benefits of Tosca, and we have understood what the Tosca can capable of doing it. Now let us switch our focus on who to learn this one. Right? In our brain, we will have one thing will be striking continuously, whether this course is correct or not. Okay. If you are our Tosca training mainly contains what the Tosca training will contains. Okay. First, we will discuss this. First of all, we will start with web. Everyone have one misconception that you should not start with web. You can directly go to database, directly going to SAP and directly going to the API. No, guys. I will tell you one example. If there is a table, if you learn how to handle a web table, you can handle database. Database is a table which contains rows and columns. Okay. Now we'll have Excel sheet and we have SAP table. So for everything, the Tosca web is a basics. Okay. How to store the value, how to verify the value, everything in the web concepts only you will understand. If you know how to handle the web, remaining everything is cakewalk for you. Okay. So first we will start with Tosca web. Next, we will go to the Tosca desktop. Next, we will go to the Tosca database testing. Okay. Next, we will go to the API testing. Okay. Once it is done, we will go to the SAP. Okay. Now what you thought is, hey Rajesh, if we have database testing, it will alone take more time, right? And one more, guys, please fill the form. Whoever is not contacted, right? Please fill the Google form, guys. Okay. The team will get in touch with you. They are asking me to do that one. So please fill the form. Okay. Now we have Tosca database testing. Now API testing, SAP. Database will take 30 days, right? API will take 30 days. SAP will take 30 days. We are only teaching the class from 50 to 55 days or mostly 60 days, which is 2 months. Right. Now, how the doubts will be cleared and how we will learn database testing in this short period. See guys, no false information. I will teach you how to handle the database testing with the Tosca, API with Tosca, SAP with Tosca. That's what I will teach. Okay. But I will teach very depth. Whatever it is necessary, I will teach that. One interview questions, At least you will get lot of questions and all the questions I will cover. Okay, real time also I will give for hands-on practice. SAP license will be given. Everything is included in the training fee. Okay, now apart from this, I will teach DEX, which is distributed execution and agent execution. Nowadays, everyone is asking this one, guys. I will teach that one. Apart from that, I will teach Vision AI, the AI power technologies, right? I will teach Vision AI. After that, we will go to the Q-test integration. Next, we will go to Q-test integration means you can integrate with any other. Next, I will go to the TQL query, Tosca query language. Next, TC shell. In order to integrate the Tosca with CI/CD, I will teach this one. Finally, I will go to the CI/CD integration with Jenkins. Okay, got it? Apart from this, I will also teach TDS, TDM for test data management, TCD, TDM, and TDS. If you go to any interview, right, these are the concepts more than enough. You can crack any interview and you can increase your package like anything. Recently, one of the person, she got selected for 20 LPA, from 11 LPA to 20 LPA. Recent one non-IT person from my 9 PM batch, he got selected as a contract to hire for 8 LPA. Okay, I will show it, guys. I will show everything. Now, this is our training mostly contains, and this is our major high level course curriculum. Okay, now let us go to the AI. Continuously, we are discussing about AI and generative AI, right? So, what is this AI driven automation? Okay, see, guys, generally, what the Tosca is capable of scanning it will scan your page. For example, you draw, the logo should be here, the search button should be here. Here we need to have certain table. Here we need to have certain fields like this. You draw it like this with pen and paper. Take one pen and paper. What is your requirement? You draw it. The business analyst will give certain mock-up documents. You take that one and give it to the Vision AI. Okay, what it will do? Without the development is done, you can directly test the application. Okay, means you take one pen and paper, draw it, and show it to Tosca. Tosca will scan the module, and you can directly run once the code is deployed. Okay, pretty much interesting, right? Means what is the need of manual testing here? See, Vision AI is a AI-driven testing automation technology that allows the team to automate the application using. Go on mute. Go on mute, please. Okay, application user interface independent of underlying technologies. With machine learning and Vision AI, we see and steer any interface just like human users. This makes your automation future-proof and adaptable as a human brains. Means how your humans are thinking on the same way the Vision AI will perform. And if you change anything, it will be automatically changed, guys. It will change. Okay. For the first time, you can be able to truly shift UI testing left. Means you can completely remove manual testing. Okay. With Vision AI, you can see it here. With Vision AI, you can create your automation already based on simple mockups. You draw it, take paint. Paint, right? You draw it here. How your applications is going to look. See, until and unless you have any application like this, right, you won't be able to automate, guys. The application should be there, right? For example, you're automating a parabank application. Observe this one. Okay, if you are automating any application, the application should look like this. Then only you can automate it. Now, how your application is going to be look in future? Take the screenshot and give it to Tosca. Your automation scripts are ready. Very good technology, guys. If this is comes into the picture, nothing will be there in the market. See, one is it is doing AI, and it is also what it is doing. It is without coding. You won't write any code. You will tell the commands, the Tosca will do everything. Very big technology. So I will teach Vision AI also. Okay. Now, okay, Rajesh, we have understood about Tosca. What about the certifications? You should be certified as a Tosca automation tester, right? Now, let us discuss about certification program. Okay. In the certification program, I will give 6 badges, guys. Okay. AS1, AS2, TDS1, TDS2, AE1, and APA. These all are 6 badges. How you will have AWS badge, right? You will have the badges like this. From where you will get this badge? From the Tricentis. Not from our institute, guys. You will get it directly from Tricentis. Okay. Apart from these, I will certify you as a product consultant. Okay. I will give one certification, which we will call it as product consultant certification. Tosca product consultant advanced level certification. We will do that. Okay. This certification will directly come from Tricentis. Means once you completed as a course, you will be stamped as a advanced level product consultant certification holder from Tricentis. You can put it in your LinkedIn and you can showcase that in your resume. Okay. We will support these things, guys. We have a plan in place. Okay. Now, how these badges will look like and how this product consultant certification will look like, right? So that is the question. Now let us see. AS1 will look like this. AS2 will look like this. TDS1 will look like this. See, you can see certain badges like this, where you can share these badges to LinkedIn, your Facebook, LinkedIn. You can download also. Next one, TDS2, AE1, and API. 3 to the 6. 6 badges you will get it. And you will also get a final product consultant certification with your name here. Your name, for example, Rajesh has completed Tricentis Tosca product consultant certification exam. You will be certified as a product consultant. You will have issue date, certificate number, and proficiency level is advanced. Okay. So you can see the advanced level, and expiry will be 2 years, guys. After 2 years, you need to take up the one more certification. Okay. This is how it will look like, guys. I will take another 10 minutes and we will take up the doubts. Okay. Now we have understood about the Tosca, right? But if you want to understand who should take up this course, okay, who should take up this course? If you are a manual tester, then you can take this one in order to convert into automation tester. If you are an automation tester with Selenium, you can take up this one. If you are a software engineer with any technology, either you are a developer, either you are a tester. Recently, I will share one story. There is a Java developer with 3 years of 2.8 years of experience. He got selected in one of the MNC companies with very good package. See, they don't want to take more stress. They want to upgrade to AI. So they have shifted it. We have a lot of examples like that. If you are a software engineer, irrespective of what technology it is, if you want to reduce your pressure and be up to the mark to the AI testing, then go for it. Next, if you are a SDET, like full stack tester, okay? Now, you are a test manager who want to convert your career into technical manager, then you are eligible to take this. If you are an automation specialist, I saw certain persons with knowing very basic knowledge of Tosca. Now they want to upgrade to SAP, Salesforce, and all these things. You can do this. Okay, if you are that candidate. If you are a non-tech background, non-IT background, BPO, non-IT, any person can do this one. Okay, so you can put almost 2 years of experience in your resume, 2 to 3 years of experience in your resume as a Tosca automation tester, and you can showcase to the interviewer, and you need to prove it. How we need to prove it? We have our plan in place, right? So we have our plan in place, starting from the subject, tasks, test, Scenarios practice, doubt sessions, mock interviews, resumes, and placement. You can easily do that one. I will help you out, guys. I have helped a lot of persons. I will help you also. Okay, got it? Now, done. Okay, for freshers, previously it is there. Just ignore that. Okay, now, what is the next one? What is the highlight of this course? What is our plan of action? Okay, now, what is our plan of action is, for example, first one, the class duration would be 50 to 60 days or 50 to 55 days plus or minus, guys. I will take the highest range. Okay, why? Because if suddenly anybody added one sudden subject, then what you will do? We will add that subject. So that's why I'm taking 50 to 60 days. Okay. Next one, interview tips. Like how to crack the interview. You have understood that one, right? So I will help you in that. And next one, weekly assignment and daily assessment, I will give it. After that, interview question and answer, 100 plus interview question and answers and 100 plus scenarios. I will give it to you guys. Next one, CV and resume preparation, I will help you out. And hands-on experience, you will get it. And mock interviews, I will conduct this. Okay, for everyone, I will conduct mock interviews, but you should prepare well. Okay, next one, tool installation. So you need to practice this tool, right? So I will give, generally, it would be, the license would be 3 to 4 months. We will give for 6 months, guys, for you to practice more and more and more. Okay, and in order to complete the certification, business email ID is mandatory. I will provide you the business email ID also. These, everything is included in the training fees. Shalini, put your question in the chat box, please. Okay, so whatever we have, everything is in class notes. In the same fees only. There is no extra charges will be taken. Okay, got it? Now it's time to compare the Tosca with other tools. For example, if you want to showcase you as the best, you need to beat the best one. Okay, so what is that? What are the major automation tools which are available in the market? Okay, the major tools in the market is Selenium. First one is Selenium. And I need to agree Selenium is a good tool, guys. But who will write the coding? That is the best tool. Okay. And I will tell you, apart from Selenium, there is a tool called Tosca. Okay. So Tosca is one of the best tool in the market. That is like I am telling that. Okay. Now, if I tell this one, I need to prove it, right? I need to prove it. So first one is Selenium is a coding. Majorly the Selenium is comes under the coding. And Tosca is a non-coding. Now, we will put a fight between Selenium and Tosca and let us understand the differences between Selenium and Tosca. Okay, now the major difference between Selenium and Tosca is we will give the points. Okay, so as usual, points. Selenium is an open source, so I will use +1. Open source, right? Freely available, we can use it. Tosca is a license, so I will give -1. Selenium relies heavily on coding, means you need to write lot of code. So -1. And bigger concern is here. The amount of coding is involved is 0. Bigger concern is writing heavy code. Okay. Now it is +1. I will take up all your doubts. Please state your. And Selenium, it doesn't have any dedicated support. No support at all. So -1. You got stuck, it's a waste of time. That's it. If you got any doubt, we will have dedicated support team. We will have separate dedicated support team, guys. Okay. So who is joined with iPhone 2? Please change your name again. Put it your number in the chat box. Motorola also. Okay. So Tricentis has dedicated support from the Tricentis team. Very hard to understand the code, guys. Okay, so please change your name. Sorry, guys. Sorry for disturbing you. iPhone 2 and Motorola, please change your name. Else, put your number here in the chat box. Okay, so verify hard to understand the code. As of no coding is involved, it is easy to understand. Got it? So these are the major differences, guys. These are the major differences. So it is -1 and it is +1. Now it's time to compare with a live example, right? Let us see about the live example, and this is the last one, guys. Please stay tuned for 5 minutes. I will close it. Okay. So what is the live example? For example, what I will do, this is Tosca, right? So this is Tosca, guys. This is how the Tosca will look like. I will teach each and every single part in detail. Okay. Now, this is the Selenium with Java. Who knows Selenium and Java, they will understand this code. It's a very easy code. Okay. Now, what I will do, I will give one task to both the tools. Okay. Which one is easier? You only tell. For example, what the task is, you need to open the browser. You need to open one browser, guys. Step number one. Step number two, click on the register button. What you need to do? You need to click on this button. Okay. First, you need to click on this register button and you need to provide all this data. And once you have provided all this data, okay, for example, I will provide all this data, guys. Okay. Once I have provided all this data, what should you do? See, observe this one. Random data I'm taking. Easier example, I will take it, guys. And click on the register button. Okay. So click on the register button and click on the logout and close the browser. Means I want to register a user. In order to register a user in Selenium, I need to write this much of code. We can use reusability, but mostly we need to write this much of code, guys. If you write this much of code in Selenium, then whatever, let us run this. Whatever I teach you, that will be opened here. See what I told you? It should open the browser first. Yes, it has opened it. Next, it should launch the URL. It has launched the URL. It should click on the register button and provide all the values. And it should click on the logout and it should click on the close, guys. Now see, you have account has been created successfully. Means in order to automate this one, you have written whatever I teach manually, the Selenium has taken this much of code to do it. What if I have 4 steps I have, right? What if I have 40 steps, 50 steps, 60 steps? What you will do? You can't do anything. By using Tosca, see, step 1, open the URL directly. Step 2, click on the register button. Step 3, click on the final register button. Okay, only 3 steps, guys. With these 3 steps, if I right click and run this test case, what it will do? First of all, it should open the browser, right? It will open the browser. Once it has opened the browser, it should click on the register button. It has clicked on the register button. It will provide the respective data. It will click on the logout button and it will close all browsers and it will clear the cache. You can see your test case got passed here. See, it got passed here. Okay, these are extra steps. Just remove it. That's not needed. Means this entire code, you can do it in only just 4 steps. 1, 2, 3, and weight is 4, for example. See, that's the major difference. I've showed you a smaller thing. So this much of difference is there. If you have a bigger one, then you can think of. Okay, I will teach everything. Okay, this is all about today's class. And let us take some of the doubts, guys. Okay, so whatever the doubts we have, please go ahead with your doubts.
Only if you remember, we can see fill the form.
Hi, Rajesh.
Please fill the
Myself,
form.
Neeraj.
Yeah, one by one, go ahead with your question.
Yeah, I have a few questions
Please
regarding
go ahead.
this course. Okay, the first thing, in your course content, you told you are covering the mobile testing automation, right? Like, are you going to cover that in mobile testing also for this course, or like
Very
you are
good.
not on that one?
Very good question, Dheeraj. No, we are not teaching about the mobile testing. Okay, we can automate the mobile testing, but we won't teach the mobile testing here. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, we won't teach the mobile testing, but I will give you the resources. If you're really interested to learn mobile automation testing, but learn web first, then go for mobile. Okay, we have a same concept, we will have it. Okay.
Okay.
Hmm.
And the second question is, Rajesh, like when compared to that Selenium Playwright Press, right? Like compared to that one, how much job percentage is there to in Tosca, and in future also, like we can trust the Tosca like for upgrading the future technical
Dheeraj,
roles, or
sorry, the voice got break. Can you please repeat the question?
no, when compared to the Selenium Playwright, right? Like how much job percentages is there for Tosca automation, and in future also, if we want to upgrade for a technical side, like how it will be like?
Very good.
Is it good to adapt for this course, or like?
Yes, very good question, Dheeraj. Yes, absolutely. Yes. Why? Because see, I will give you the reason. Okay. For example, in order to learn the playwright, you should learn Selenium first. If you go to majority of the project, Selenium code is getting migrated to playwright due to the advantages of playwright. Okay. And again, you need to learn Selenium back if you want to learn playwright. And compared to both, the opportunities for Selenium is more general. Okay. Why? Because it's a universal, right? But it is a coding. Compared to Selenium, we have almost 80-90% of Tosca opportunities also. That too in big MNC company, product-based company, and all. Okay. Yes, we have very good opportunities for Tosca in big MNC company.
Okay. Last question is like
Uh,
how AI will impact this
Very good.
Tosca.
Since it is already, I told you there is a Vision AI, right? So we have Vision AI. In that Vision AI, it is already integrated with AI. Okay. So that's why AI is already in Tosca. Okay. They are started using AI. So I will teach the AI concepts also. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. Very good. Very good question. Please, guys, please ask questions like this. So
Rajesh,
meantime, I will take
Rajesh,
certain. Yes. Yes.
Rajesh, actually, I've graduated 10 years ago,
Hmm.
so I don't have any knowledge on Tosca, like whatever. I'm not even belonging to any IT. So after graduation, I got
Hmm.
married, so I couldn't get job. Now for
Hmm.
financial dependency, I wanted to learn some technology and get into a job.
Hmm.
How this
So,
Tosca, yeah, how
yeah.
this Tosca will be helpful.
Yeah. So before I answer this question, guys, somebody is not filled the form. Please fill the form. I want to talk with you one-on-one, guys. If you want to really talk one-on-one with me, please fill the form. I will connect with you tomorrow and I will directly talk. I will try to talk with you. Okay. Good. Shalini, right? Who has asked this question? You can drop off, Dheeraj. Thank you so much for
Yes,
joining. See you tomorrow.
yes,
Yeah,
Rajesh.
Shalini, I need to talk with one-on-one with you in order to answer this question in a correct way. I need the previous things also, like previously, whether you have experience or not. So tomorrow, call to the team. They will connect with me. Okay, that would be good. Tosca
Okay.
related questions, please ask. Okay, right, Tosca.
And
Hmm.
also, Rajesh, you were telling the batch timings, right? You said
Hmm.
like Monday to Friday. What and
Yes,
all the timings that are
8,
available?
8 to 9 p.m. 8 to 9 p.m.
Morning 8 to 9 and evening
Evening,
8 to 9.
evening 8 to 9. Morning
Okay.
8:30 to 9:30, evening 8 to 9.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Meantime, I will take certain questions from the chat box, guys. Okay.
Rajesh,
Thank you.
Oppo and another Motorola, both are in not at change their name and share also for phone numbers,
Please,
please.
yeah, guys, please share your numbers, guys. We are putting lot of efforts, and the team is really putting lot of efforts to connect with you. If we don't have your numbers, we won't be able to doing it. Thanks, Malti. Thanks for that. Okay, guys, please share your number so that we can get in touch with you. I'll change your name. Please do that one. Okay, so let us take certain questions from the chat box first. Okay, so mostly mess with this and all. Okay, I have Shalini is asking. I have zero. I have graduated 10 years now. I need a job financial. Okay, Shalini, we will discuss one-on-one with you. Okay, so Same.
Okay,
Shiva
Rajesh.
is also doing the same thing. I have zero experience. I have graduated 10 years now for Navin. Same, you have copy pasted it. I don't know whether you both are same, but even I need to talk with you, Shiva, once. I need to have your previous understanding. Okay. Only 20 members filled it. Please fill the form, guys, else you won't get it. Tomorrow link will be changed. Please get in touch with the team. Usually, for how many years do we get interview calls? If you have 3 plus, 2 plus at least, so you will get the calls. Very good. Okay. If you have good experience, and kindly share the recording. Just join. Okay. Please share your number. Oppo CP. We will share the link. Please share your number. Is there any weekend batch? Shravani, we need to discuss with the team. Please call them. They will discuss with you for the weekend batches. Okay. Any other questions with related to Tosca or with related to any other thing? Please go ahead.
Rajesh asking on behalf of my friend. So,
Hmm.
do we have Tosca, like as part of this course? Is there any course that covers Tosca with Salesforce as well?
Very good question, Salmi. See, is it Salesforce is web or not? Tell me one thing.
Sorry, what was that?
Salesforce is a web or it's not a web? It's a web application. If you
It's a
don't
web
know,
only.
yeah, you know, right?
Okay.
So Salesforce is a web. If you know the web concept, the same thing you will apply. So that's what I'm telling. Very good question Shalini has raised. Okay. So if you know the web concept, for example, there is a drop down. If you know how to handle a drop down in a web, either it can be Azure, AWS, Salesforce, Pega, whatever it can be, you will do that one. Okay. Yes. In our course, we will try to add it and see license and all, it's big concern. Okay. So we can automate it. That is for sure. Okay. Shalini, you tell your friend that Salesforce, we can automate it. And in course, we will try to cover it at the last if time permits. Okay.
Okay, Rajesh. And also, for example, I being a new to technology, Salesforce
Mm.
is again a new to me. If there is
Yes.
a candidate who is working on Salesforce testing,
Mm.
and after Salesforce, and she wants to know her domain of SAP, and you're going to, um, like just like Salesforce testing, you're also going to cover SAP.
Yes.
Then
SAP
on top
SD,
of,
sales and
yes,
distribution.
correct. On top of Salesforce testing, SAP is a burden to me. I'll be still part of this call.
True. Very good. See, in that case, so that's what I'm telling. Rather, you're going for multiple technologies, right? Quality over quantity. Now, when you're applying to the jobs, right, please see the roles and responsibility clearly. If they are expecting 80% of Salesforce manual tester, then it's not your cup of tea. If they are asking, or like if they are expecting more with respect to Tosca, then you're eligible to apply that course. Okay. Yes, it's a burden. Definitely, it's a burden to learn SAP, Salesforce, web. So that's why approach I will teach you. Okay. Whatever the approach I have, I will teach in detail so that with that thing, say, for example, you are doing some aptitude test. Okay. For example, you are preparing for banking, right? What you will do? You will prepare the concept, not the exact question. The exact question may or may not appear, right? That approach you need to practice. I will teach that approach. That is the major difference between learning from a real-time trainer and a normal person. We will have other demos also, right? We will discuss that. And one more thing, guys. Sorry to convey this. Whoever are taking this course today and tomorrow, okay, we are giving a free generative AI classes. Okay, generative AI recorded classes, guys. The recording classes of generative AI and how this will be used in Tosca, that we will give it for free. Who are registered this course today and tomorrow? Not today, today is done, tomorrow, most probably. So we will give this free course also, guys, which is taught by me. AI is also very, very important. We will discuss more. If need, I will give more things. Once you are a student, you are a student for me, I will help you out. Okay? Yeah. Next question. Go ahead. Go ahead with the next question. So
Sir,
somebody is
sir,
asking, yeah, 1 minute, Shiva. So Oppo, they are asking Oppo, who is Oppo here? Okay. Anybody? Web application, API, database, mobile, which one the demand is Tosca? Very good. See, the demand as of now, see, the demand will keep on changing. SAP is very demanding now, as of now. But there is a link with web. If you learn SAP, API, web and database, Mobile is okay, it is good, but you need to have mobile previous knowledge, previous mobile testing knowledge. So then it is good. I will say SAP Web API is good with database. Okay. Hi Rajesh. Navin is asking, hi Rajesh, over 2 years of experience in an IT. However, PF was not generated there. I'm currently working as a support role. I don't have experience testing. Can I still do the? Yes, you can definitely do it. Please contact me tomorrow. I have a plan of action. I will tell that one. Navin, clear. Sorry, Shiva. Go ahead. Shiva Prakash.
ఇందాక జస్ట్ ఒక అతను ఐ మీన్ సెలీనియం ప్లే రైట్ గురించి చెప్పారు కదా సార్. ఫస్ట్ యూ లెర్న్ సెలీనియం ప్లే రైట్, అదొకసారి మళ్ళీ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయరా సార్ నాకు?
Yeah.
డోంట్ మైండ్ యూ కెన్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్.
I will explain in English. Okay. Is that fine, Shiva? Like most of the persons are no English, right? If you have any questions, I will take up the questions in Telugu. Okay, I will try to explain in Telugu first. Okay, whoever know the Telugu, please wait. Okay, see, yes, selenium కానీ ఫస్ట్ ప్లే రైట్ నేర్చుకోవాలి అని అంటే సెలీనియం వద్దు. కానీ మోస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ద టైమ్స్ సెలీనియం నుంచి ప్లే రైట్ మూవ్ అవుతున్నారు ప్రతి ఒక్కరు. ఎందుకు అని అంటే సెలీనియం ఈజ్ కంప్లీట్లీ డిఫరెంట్ విత్ జావా, బట్ ప్లే రైట్ లో అలా కాదు. జావా స్క్రిప్ట్ కానీ టైప్ స్క్రిప్టింగ్ కానీ నేర్చుకోవాలి. ఇట్ ఆల్ టుగెదర్ డిఫరెంట్. అది నేర్చుకోవడానికి మాత్రమే. బట్ రియల్ పిక్చర్ రియల్ టైంలో మేము వర్క్ చేస్తున్నాం అండ్ మీరు అందరూ వర్క్ చేస్తున్నారు కాబట్టి నేను రియల్ టైం పిక్చర్ లో చెప్తాను. మీరు కోడింగ్ సైడ్ ఇంట్రెస్ట్ ఉంటే అటు సైడ్ చూస్ చేసుకోవాలి. No offense at all, but lot of members, they are already went to Selenium and they have wasted lot of money. Again, now they are joining into Tosca. I have hundreds of examples. Okay.
So I mean, me also one example, sir. I'm already learn Selenium, sir, but no calls is there. I mean,
no calls is there, but I don't know how many experience you have. But there is a huge competition. That's the major problem.
I have no experience, sir. Career gap is there. But 2 years ki calls levu, 2 years experience పెడితే calls levu, more than 4-5 years.
మల్టిపుల్ ట్రై చేయాలి శివ ప్రకాష్. ఓకేనా, రేపు ఒకసారి కాల్ చేయండి, మీతో 1-on-1 డిస్కస్ చేస్తాను. నా దగ్గర ఒక ప్లాన్ ఉంది. ఓకేనా, ఐ హావ్ వన్ ప్లాన్. ఐ విల్ డిస్కస్ విత్ యూ టుమారో. ఓకే. Shalini is asking, I think your team is reaching. Please contact the team. They will call me and they will arrange the call.
Okay. Rajesh, one more doubt. ఇప్పుడు ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఇది లైక్ చెప్తున్నా, ఎలా అంటే ఒక 5 years బ్యాక్ మాన్యువల్ టెస్టింగ్ లో ఉన్నప్పుడు అప్పుడు డిమాండ్ వచ్చేసి చాలా బాగుంది సేల్స్ ఫోర్స్ టెస్టింగ్. సో నా ఫ్రెండ్ వచ్చేసి మాన్యువల్ నుంచి సేల్స్ ఫోర్స్ నేర్చుకుంది, కష్టపడి సేల్స్ ఫోర్స్ నేర్చుకుని నార్మల్ సేల్స్ ఫోర్స్ టెస్టింగ్ బేస్డ్ ఆన్ యూట్యూబ్ వీడియోస్, సిన్స్ సేల్స్ ఫోర్స్ ఇస్ లైక్ వెరీ థియరీ. సేల్స్ ఫోర్స్ నేర్చుకుంది. తర్వాత ఎలాగో అలాగా సేల్స్ ఫోర్స్ ప్రాజెక్ట్ తెచ్చుకొని కొంచెం ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ తెచ్చుకుంది. 4 years బ్యాక్ సేల్స్ ఫోర్స్ కి చాలా మంచి ఓపెనింగ్ ఉంది. తను వచ్చేసి షీ టుక్ హర్ టైమ్ టు ప్రిపేర్ ఫర్ సేల్స్ ఫోర్స్. ద టైమ్ షీ ఈస్ లైక్ వెల్ ప్రిపేర్డ్ ఫర్ సేల్స్ ఫోర్స్. నౌ ద ఓపెనింగ్ is only on it is only for Salesforce automation. There is no openings for Salesforce testing.
See, that's the future thought. Very good question you have raised. I'm happy to listen this question. See guys, ide problem anta. See, this is the major problem. So that's why you need to learn the latest technology, not the older technologies. That's the major problem here. See, Tosca has high features that nowadays everyone is using Tosca due to its non-coding and AI technologies. So that you need to learn today. Okay, and you need to have that forecasting. Definitely you should have it. Okay, so when you are learning the Selenium at that, yes, Salesforce, when I listen that every person have learned Salesforce admin. Okay, suddenly these things are got dropped. Okay, yes, I can agree, but Tosca is not like that. Tosca is a futuristic tool, so you won't get that thing in Tosca. Mark my words.
Yeah, to continue that, yes, you answered it. So for the next 4 years, will it be Tosca also will be here like Salesforce?
To be very frank, Shalini, okay, I'm the frank guy. Okay, I will tell you one thing. So there is no time limit for AI to build it. For example, Google has taken 30 years to complete it. Okay, in 30 years, Google is in this position. In 3 months, the AI has crossed the OpenAI, ChatGPT, whatever it is. It has crossed the what we called Google, and it has generated high revenue, right? So 3 months, 30 years, you compare it. Okay, we don't know. In this AI era, anything can be happened. Now, it's like an entry point to learn AI. Now go to your project and see whatever the latest technology they are using, and you can switch into that. Okay, there is no guarantee that, okay, there is no guarantee that it will have for 4 years. Okay, it may have 4 years, it may not have 4 months, it may not have anything. But what our estimation is, definitely it will be there for 2+ years. Okay, 4 years I can't guarantee, but 2 years, yes, definitely it will be there. Mark my words. Can I get remote opportunity for this tool? Shravani, very good. Nowadays, remote opportunities are very less, irrespective of the tool. Everyone is asking persons to come office, but still it's a hybrid mode. Still, you can convince them. You can show some problem or any other thing, and you can ask them to do that. Okay. Yes. Out of 10 jobs, only 2 jobs in my previous scenario, 2 jobs are work from home. Remaining everything is hybrid mode on. You can calculate with that, Shravan. Hi Rajesh, will you teach course deep dive or basics? No basics. Shravan, you compare my course content anywhere. No basics. First, I will teach the basics, but I will go very depth. Okay. And I will tell you in the real time project how I have used in the real time. Okay.
Hi Rajesh.
Yeah. Leela, go ahead.
This is Leela.
Yeah.
Currently, I'm working as a Oracle consultant. I have around 3 years of experience. I'm completely new to testing. Yeah, and the terminology some of the people are using like web testing, SAP testing, Salesforce testing. I don't know anything, and I'm listening as
I will teach.
Yeah.
I'm here to help you out, Kanti. Why? Because my track record is I have placed non-IT persons also. I can understand. I can feel your pain. But this is a demo, right? So that's why I am teaching the entire thing in one go. When you go to the subjects, I will go from very basics. If you have anything, I will help you out with that. You don't worry. Meantime, I will give certain videos. If you have time permits, please watch that. Okay?
Yeah, okay. Thank you.
How many batches? Okay, wait. He is asking, but should have knowledge on SAP model. You shouldn't have any knowledge in SAP. I will teach from very basics. And one more thing, we are not SAP manual testers. We are SAP automation testers. Okay, please understand. Okay, is the batch size is too big and take long than expected time to discuss and address all the doubts. So that's why Shalini, we won't have. See, we have huge competition outside. Okay, by the way, and batch will be compressed. It's not like hundreds of people will be there in the batch. It's not like that. We'll have less amount of batches, persons.
Yeah,
Per
hi,
batch,
Rajesh.
we will let you know. Okay. Go ahead.
Yeah, Rajesh, actually, my question is, I agree with you that we are doing SAP automation in Tosca, wherein, few companies, they are expecting that, what are the modules have been tested in with Tosca. So in that case, even they're asking that domain specific, module specific questions now, Rajesh. So in that case, only just I'm asking.
Please. Yes. You should ask this kind of. I'm here to answer your question here. Very good question, actually. Now, what he is telling is, if you go to any project or any interview, they are asking domain knowledge also. SAP has more hundreds of modules. SAP modules are huge modules, guys. Okay. Now, if you learn SAP SD, okay. Now the interviewer is asking what you will do. For example, you are learning they are asking SD or any other module. Okay. So you need to convince to the interviewer that I have an idea of SAP. That too, it's not like functional knowledge of SAP. If you give any module, any automation test case, I will be automated with Tosca. That's how you need to convey. If they are okay with only selling SAP Tosca, then only they will agree. Else, it's not your cup of tea. Simple. Okay. See, guys, if you go to any interview, right, they will ask lot of things. Okay. A lot of things they will ask. So you should compress that, and you should that I am pretty much good in SAP SD. My students who learn SAP SD, now they are working in PP, production planning, material management. They are working in HANA, S4 HANA. They will learn it. Okay. But you need to prove in place, like in interview. If they are not agreeing, then again, it's a major problem. you need to go for SAP functional first and then SAP automation test. It's a bit harder. There is a thin line. You need to do it. What about SAP CPI and BTP module? Okay, we won't touch that one. Okay, to be very precise, I don't know what is CPI and BTP modules, but if you give, I can automate it. Okay, we won't touch that one, Shrav. Okay, asking on behalf of my friend, I see out of 10 openings of Salesforce and 9 out of Salesforce are Salesforce developer. Is it good idea to switch to Salesforce developer at the experience of 10 years? Tomorrow we will discuss, Shalini, all these questions. See, don't go for Salesforce. Go for automation. That is my suggestion. Not I am teaching Salesforce. It's not like that. Sorry, not I am teaching automation. Salesforce is one technology. But this automation, you can switch it anywhere.
One final question, Rajesh.
Please.
Sorry to interrupt you.
No, please.
Yeah, because suppose if I'm interested and I will continue a course with you generally, so post completion of my course, will you is there any on-job support I will get? Because the training part will be different than the live project.
True.
So
yes.
So whenever is there any issues or we will stuck up in doing things, right? Because we are transforming ourselves from manual testing to this automation Tosca. Like example DAX and all some minimal code or some places where we'll stuck. In that case, do we get any on-job support from your institute or like that?
See, support and all that we can't promise it, but before you are joining, we can show the real-time projects and my students. Currently, I'm working in the project that I can show it. That help I can do it, but offline
Yeah,
we
but
will discuss.
most of the scenarios will not cover right as part
That's
of
why I'm
training.
giving 100+ scenarios. Okay. See, we are trying our best. It's not like everything we will provide as per what we called project to project specific. We can't do it, but in a generic we will do it. But see, that's why you listen all my 3 demos. Then you will get an idea what is my way of teaching and how much level I am teaching it. Please join the
Yeah,
other
Rajesh,
demos.
because even I am also interview panelist, so just I'm
You know
curious
everything.
to know.
Yeah. I can sense you. Tomorrow we will discuss offline. That would be better rather
Sure.
discussing here. Okay. Yeah. Any other
Rajesh,
question?
Shravya here. Actually, I'm a technical writer with 8 years of experience. My company is related to legal and HR compliance, but this Tosca domains are different, right? Like if I'm able to explain about I'm having 2 years of experience in Tosca. If I want to express to these details to the interviewer, how can I explain this? Because my company is not at all using the Tosca, and they're
That
using
is a
Selenium
secret code.
Playwright. So
Yeah.
how can I explain this to interviewer?
Yeah, that is one secret code we have. We'll discuss over call. If I recorded that one right, that would be different. We will have
Okay.
this question in one-on-one. Okay, that would be better. Okay.
And one more doubt is there. So you said like Tosca is easy to understand, easy to learn, but it is easy to replace also, right? With AI, if it is that much
That's
easy,
why.
in
See,
future
it's
also
not like
it's
that.
easy to replace, right?
No. Yes, it is easy to replace. See, AI is not to replace. Okay, the word replace is wrong, Shravya. You can't replace manual testing with AI forever. Mark my words. Okay, even the manual testing, you cannot replace it. You can fasten your manual testing with that. If you give the requirement, it will write the test cases. But bugs and all, it will identify. Who will review that? Whether the AI is doing correct or not, who will review that testing? Again, the tester should do that, right? If AI is doing correct or not, who will test it? The tester will test it. It's not like
So it will faster.
replacing anything. It is fasting. So whatever you are doing, if you are writing 100 test cases in one day, it will write it in half an hour or more. You're getting my point. So that's you can decrease. The strength can be decreased. It can't be replaced. It can be utilized twice. The productivity can be increased. Okay?
So yeah, I got this point. And one more question I'm having, like what kind of challenges we will face in real time? I mean, if
Next,
I need to reach out.
if I teach everything here, what I will teach it in next classes.
Okay. Yeah,
Okay?
that is also fine. So you said the real time projects are banking and insurance. So if I'm able to get any telecommunication, then like is it almost same or it
You
will be
work in
different?
telecommunication.
You said
No?
like you worked in telecommunication also.
Okay,
Mhm.
okay.
So if
See,
I get the job in telecommunication, for example, so I got experience in these two domains only, banking and insurance. So how it will be?
the cross domain will be there for sure, Shravya. It's not like you're working in health, so I will take you as a health. So if you have a
Mhm.
basic understanding of, see,
So
being a test.
will I able to correlate this work
Yes,
there, or it will be
definitely. That's what
completely?
I'm telling. If there is an input field, either in
Mhm.
the healthcare project or in the insurance project, it is same, right? Input is an input field. Drop down is a
Mhm.
drop. Table is a table. So
Okay.
irrespective of what technology, what domain it is, what application it is, all together it is same at the end of the day.
Okay.
Good,
Uh,
Yeah,
good, guys.
yeah. And one
Rajesh.
more, this is the last one.
Please.
So, will I get basic knowledge about the database API or at least some code? Because um, if I mean, zero knowledge is okay to learn this Tosca, or at least some 10 to 20% knowledge is required to understand like what is going on.
Very good, very
Like,
good. See, if you don't have any knowledge, I will teach the basics with respect to Tosca. If you want to learn
okay,
more, then you know how to do that since you have a good experience. Okay. See, if I
okay,
start teaching, I know database testing since I am a database background, ETL and all. I can
mm,
teach you, but it's the course is not meant for that. This is for automation. Okay, I will teach with
okay,
respect to automation. Okay,
yeah,
at least you know the basic select queries. These all things will be enough. Okay, very
mm,
less will do it in database. Just extracting of the data. That's it. Okay.
okay,
Anyway, I
right,
will. Hmm.
yeah. Thank
Yeah.
you.
Who is this Oppo first?
Yeah,
Sorry, not
myself,
able.
Shekhar,
Shekhar.
Shekhar Reddy.
Shekhar.
So,
Shekhar.
Rajesh, one more question. Like
Hmm.
generally for in Tosca, like usually we will see this SAP, screens, right? Like inbuilt screens. So whenever the customer is required to do the customization as per the requirement, then only like we will customize. Otherwise, most of the screens like login page and everything will be available in the Tosca. So same
Hmm.
like that, do we have any other telecom domain or retail or manufacturing, or we need to do from the scratch?
No, whatever, say, for any SAP logon and login is same. I will give a small example, okay? So menu bar and toolbar, everything is same, right? In any SAP,
Correct.
if you go to any SAP, whatever there is a common, you need to take the help of Tosca. Where there is no common, you need to scan the modules. How to scan the
Correct.
module, that I will explain, okay?
Of
In the
course.
upcoming classes. Okay. Whatever there is a common, the Tosca will give it to you. What it is not there, you need to scan it. Your customization is anything it can be. So you need to scan it and you need to put it. That I will teach it in upcoming classes.
Okay.
Okay.
Got it. Got it. Thank you, Rajesh.
Okay. So long class, guys. Okay. Any other doubts before I close? Last doubt.
Hi
Okay.
Rajesh, this is
Ah,
Shirisha.
Sirisha, go ahead, Sirisha.
Yeah, actually, I have 2.5 years of experience in one of the top MNC company.
Hmm.
Before that, also I have career gap.
Hmm.
I have started as a ATL tester, so I got placed in the top of MNC company. But
Hmm.
due to some major health issue, I have this 1 year of career gap after the job.
No worries. 1 year is uh, good, Siri.
Still, from last 1 year, I am not working.
No worries. No worries. See, I have placed one for the Java developer I told, right? So that person I placed after 1.6 years. Okay.
Yeah, okay.
Yes, there is a chance. There is a women drives war going on. Even we need to understand that one. But you need to see for others, the jobs will be 10. For you, only two opportunities will be there. But you need to crack in that two interviews. So the
Yeah,
preparation
yeah.
more. Okay. I will help.
Regarding that, I have so many doubts. So
Okay,
in
call me
one.
tomorrow. That would be helpful. Tomorrow after
Yeah.
11 p.m. call. 11 a.m. Sorry, 11 a.m. 11 a.m. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah. Okay, guys. That's it for today. Thank you so much for joining, and please join tomorrow's class also. More things are coming up. Okay. So how to connect with me? I told you, right? Please connect with the admin team. They will connect with me. We can talk. Okay. You please fill the form. Again, I will share that one. So the team, we need to, in order to follow, you need to have that number, right? Please have this form should be filled so that we can directly connect with you. Okay. So thank you so much for this class. This is the class. Hope you like the video or hope you like the class. So thank you so much. See you in the next class. Until then, good night. Have a nice sleep ahead. Bye. Good night, guys.
Thanks, Rajesh.
Thank you all. Bye-bye. Good night.
Good night.